Hi friends, all of you are welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you desi variety mangoes. You can say in other word forest mangoes also. Generally desi varieties mango seeds are swollen, tight and oval in shape. Thickness is more as compared to the hybrid seeds. Generally when we see or eat hybrid mangoes, then their seeds are flat and thin, so they can germinate roots, but the roots get coiled, and that's why they cannot capture soil after growing, and in future due to storm they can be collapsed. So instead of that you have to use desi seeds. Now there are two types of method of germinating these seeds. If you pour or insert such type of a seed directly in the soil with cover, then it will take more than 1 month for germination. Now this one is a hybrid mango seed. So instead of that, if you take turfal or outer cover of mango seed by cutting by such type of any tool, it may be cutter or scissor. So before that you have to keep such type of seed by cleaning by water in the sun for 2 to 3 days, and after that you have to take out that outer turfal of that seed of mango without damaging the main part of inside seed. Such a way you have to take out that outer covering. Now as you will try, then you will come to know how to take out that inside seed. But this process is not applicable for nursery purpose, because in nurseries you cannot, you can say, peel thousands of seeds. It will be troublesome, and that's why in nursery generally this method is not used by the owners. They directly plant such type of seeds with cover on the bed and spread 2 to 3 centimeters soil or compost and drain it daily with water, and after a month it germinate and they then they, you can say, plant in pockets. Now in small scale, if you have time, then you can do this process of, you can say, taking out turfal or cover up mango seed and then keep such type of seeds horizontally. See here. So within 10 days after pouring water, after sprinkling water daily, you will get the small seedlings, and then you can graft it. So there are types of grafting. First type is that stone grafting. As seeds start to grow and it gets the height with red leaves up to 10 to 15 centimeter, then you can cut half part of that plant and then you can graft it with defoliated cyan or instant cyan. How to select cyan, already there are so many videos in my video playlist. How to select cyan, how to keep for 10 to 15 days, all the processes are given there. So you can do that stone grafting on the 10 to 15 days plant, and after that, when one circle of leaves comes and when they acquire green color and second layer of leaves start and then grow, then you can do on second layer such a way you can do grafting on any age, at any age. You can do it on 2 months plant, 3 months plant, 4 months plant. So that is in your hand. Even if there is thumb size plant, consider that, then you can do bark grafting also. So now see here, within 5 to 6 days these seedlings come now, within 5 to 6 days, because it was planted by taking that outer cover. Now this is the result. If you means you can take out cover and plant it. So after 6 days it is showing the result. So on small scale you can do it. All the main seedlings are coming now, see here. So this is the best way on small scale to take out cover of mango seed and plant it. So as per your wish, you can do qualitative mangoes grafting on such type of plant, and I am only suggesting only. I have no nursery, and don't ask me